One afternoon, Sammy was playing soccer in the backyard when the sky suddenly turned dark. Boom! A loud thunderclap shook the air. Sammy ran inside and looked out the window, wide-eyed. "Mama Lila," he called. "Is the sky angry?" Mama Lila smiled. "No, Habibi. The sky isn't angry, it's just sneezing." "Sneezing?" Sammy laughed. "Skies don't sneeze." "Well," Mama Lila said, sitting beside him, "when clouds get too full of tiny drops of water, they bump into each other. That makes static electricity, like when you rub a balloon on your hair. It builds up until, zap, lightning flashes. And that loud sound you hear? That's thunder. So thunder is the sky saying, ACHO. Sammy giggled. Kind of. It's the air shaking from the lightning's heat. Then the clouds let out the rain, like a big relief after a sneeze. Sammy watched the raindrops race down the glass. The sky does a lot for us, huh? Yes, Mama Lila said. It gives us water to drink, grow food, and cool the earth. From that day on, every time thunder roared, Sammy smiled and whispered, "Bless you, sky."